desirable very light marquees. Some of them are right behind me. Of course, I'm doing it in 2 parts because longer videos are boring. And there is also going to be a giveaway. All you have to do is follow me on Instagram and my Facebook page, and you have to comment below stating that which one is your favorite marquee and why. It is as simple as that. So I'll be giving away all 5 cards to 5 lucky winners. Moving on to the first part, in this video I'm going to show how to make these cloud and moon marquees. They are perfect decorative as they light up your room, modern yet vintage, perfect for all age. For the cloud shape reference, I searched for it on internet, then roughly sketched out the outlines. I also modified it a little bit, then cut it out. Then I applied glue stick, sprayed and pasted a white chart paper over it. Here you have 2 more options in color, that is grey and sky blue. Then flip it and cut such patterns carefully on the border. Then paste all the frills. This is a very effective way to cover any shape with chart paper. Then take 3 cm wide strip of the same cardboard to make the outline border of the cloud. Here you will need to mold the strip and cut small shapes to match the sides. After all the parts are ready, stick them using hot glue. Here I am using newspaper underneath to keep the white sheet clean. Now make small marks where you want to make holes for the lights. Then make the holes. Then I am using small bulb string light which I got from Amazon. These bulbs are detachable, so it is very convenient to fix them into the holes. So at first I pushed the bulbs into the holes. And then attach the string lights. Then I went ahead and secured the wires with electric tape. And tada, it is done! This amazing, quirky, fun, moon-shaped marquee light is perfect as a night lamp or to lighten your mood and warm your living space. For the moon, I have taken similar cardboard sheet and 3-meter wide strip. Then I used such utensils to get the shape. Be sure of the size you want to make. It should not be too small or too big. Here I have pasted the chart paper differently. First I cut the shape on the paper, then apply the glue and paste the shape respectively. Then I made small holes depending on how many bulbs I wanted. Then pasted the side borders with hot glue. Here we will need some patience and hold the shape for some time. After inserting the bulbs, this is how it looks. So that's it for the first part of the video. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and I will be posting the second part very soon. Don't forget to watch. See you in my next video. Bye bye. I'll be going. Ah! Okay then.